So let me discuss some of the forms of asphalt and bitumen. It is first straight run road oils. When the distillation of the asphalting base crude is stopped at 375 degrees Celsius, a residue in semi-liquid condition is obtained. Second, liquid asphalt. When crude oil is subjected to a fractional distillation, a viscous residue which is took a thick for a cold application is obtained. So all these types are depends on how the asphalt or the bitumen has been manufactured, then and at what temperature. Then third, that is cut back asphalt. It is obtained by mixing the liquid asphalt in a volatile solvent like a naphthol, benzol or the petroleum. So it is used for the repairs of cracks, roofs and the floor etc. on application and after exposure. The volatile solvent evaporates. The asphalt is left behind is solid conditions, as we can observe this in a road construction as well as on a plastered or the ready mix plaster utilized. In that, after the evaporation or after the heating, the whatever material left behind, that is called as asphalt, in the crack, thus filling up the cracks, the asphalt can be easily utilized. Thus it is used for cold applications. The cutback asphalt is further classified into slow curing, medium curing and rapid curing depend upon the particular solvent used. Then asphaltic bitumen emulsions. The asphalt is obtained by emulsifying with the water in the presence of an emulsifier like a sodium oleate or the soap or resin. As a result of emulsification, asphalt is available at a room temperature in a liquid form. Example, in the form of emulsion. They are used as a paints where the waterproofing qualities are required. It is black in color and it dries by evaporation of the water. Then coals, it is a emulsion of about 60% bitumen, 40% water and the little quantity of stabilizer like a soap. It is used for spreading on road. Then water evaporates and leaves behind a layer of asphalt on the road surfaces. Then asphaltic cement, it is also called as an brown bitumen. Air is blown through the asphalt at a high temperature. The bitumen is partially oxidized. Consequently, a thick plastic liquid is obtained that is called as a asphaltic cement. It is high resistant to the atmospheric condition. It is elastic adhesive and has a binding property by which it binds cementitious materials. Then road tar, it is obtained by destructive distillation of the wood, coal etc. It is refined by distillation of leaving behind a residue called as a pitch. The flux is added for different grades of tar. It is used for construction of the roads. Then straight run road oil. As stated above, these products are simple distillation of asphaltic base crude oil at a 1300 degree Fahrenheit. It is used for reconditioning of the existing road. So it is generally used for the repairs and reconditioning. Then mastic asphalt. The product is obtained by mixing a powdered natural rock asphalt bitumen from a residue of asphalt and suitable proportion of the fine sand or asbestos or wood. The product is heat resistant with the negligible brittleness and the melt at a 300 degrees Celsius. Then bitumen paints, they are obtained by adding the suitable colored pigment to the asphalt. They are used as a preservative and decorative paint. And last one, that is a bituminous asphalt for the waterproofing of RCC roof. The waterproofing RCC roofs is done by membrane method, which consists of swabbing the surfaces of concrete by 3 layers of asphalt. The membrane thus laid is elastic and removes the defect from the concrete. Then bituminous felt is produced in the following manner. First, vegetable fiber, paper waste, animal hair etc. are woven in a zigzag manner into a closed texture a flexible sheets. Then these sheets is impregnated with a bitumen. Felt are durable, impervious, tough, flexible, and resistant to the wear and tear. They are waterproof and they are used for the roof covering to the impact of waterproofing quality. So bituminous impregnated felt, it is produced by obtaining a soaking resins fiber by bituminous material. Then surface finished bitumen felt. The surface of bituminous impregnated felt covered with the sand by a special process which required for the exposed condition or with the mica. Then specially surface roofing felt. The product is obtained first by roofing felt with the bitumen of low melting points. So they are mixed or combined roofing felt with the bitumen of low melting point. Secondly, coating both the sides with the bitumen of higher melting point, followed by the surface with the sand and the mica. Then last, that is a reinforced bitumen felt. The above three varieties are reinforced by a Hessian fiber or the flex. They are resistant to the wear and tear. So in felt, it is produced by combining different fibers. Okay. So to increase the wear and resistance to the wear and tear, as we know that road surfaces, the wear and tear action is more. So to reduce that wear and tear action and to reduce the impact due to the wear and tear, the some of the resins or the fibers are collected together to form a felt. So these are nothing but the fibers or the felt manufactured by combining the different types of fibers. That might be vegetable fiber, paper waste, animal hairs, or other bituminous materials. The uses of asphalt: first, as a waterproofing material and used as a binder or damp proofing course in underground basement. In it making a modern roads which are elastic and noiseless. In making a paints, plastic, and varnishes. So asphalt can be generally utilized in making the paints, then plastic varnishes, then water proofing agents, then damp proofing agents or the damp proofing materials, and it is utilized in construction of modern roads which are elastic and noiseless. The uses of bitumen: first, construction of roadways, runways, railway platform, then waterproofing, prevent prevents the seepage, then mastic flooring for the factories, then lining of canals, damp proof courses in building and masonry, then tank foundation in making the emulsion paints and the soundproofing. The uses of the tars are: it is used in preservation of timber, it is used in making the roads, bitumen's waterproofing product like production of roofing felts, then for sealing of flat roofs, then it is used in a marine industries, it is used as a protective coating of on aluminum, concrete, steel, and the wood. Tar products are applied to the exterior and interior of the pipeline or sewage or for the storage water tanks. So these are the uses of asphalt, bitumen, tar, and their properties. So this is the end of our second topic, that is the natural construction materials, and we saw the some of the natural construction materials like aggregate, sand, then timber, then asphalt, bitumen, tar, lime. Okay, and their properties we discussed.